Hello students, today we are going to learn about monohybrid cross, law of dominance and law of segregation from the chapter inheritance and variation. Monohybrid cross. Mono means one. Mono means one. So, in this, cross takes place between only one pair of contrasting character. So, out of the 7 pair of contrasting characters from pea plant, we are going to take example of height of plant, that is tall and dwarf. Height of plant, tall and dwarf. So, phenotype of plant is tall and dwarf. Phenotype का मतलब external appearance of plant. So, cross takes place between pure tall and pure dwarf plant. Pure मतलब individual with identical alleles. Individual with identical alleles for particular trait, that is homozygous. For pure tall plant, genotype is capital T, capital T. For pure tall plant, genotype is capital T, capital T, and dwarf plant genotype is small t, small t. Cross takes place between male and female plant, or we can say male or female gamete. In gamete formation, one allele enter in one gamete. Hence, tall plant gamete में capital T allele होगा and dwarf plant gamete में small t allele होगा. Now, cross takes place between male and female gamete and F1 generation appear, that is capital T, small t. Genotype of F1 generation is capital T, small t, and phenotype is tall plant. This means plant have allele for tallness and allele for dwarfness also. But externally the plant is tall. Externally the plant is tall. To find out F2 generation, selfing of F1 hybrids takes place. Means capital T small t cross with capital T small t. During gamete formation, one allele will enter in one gamete. So, capital T will enter in one gamete and small t will enter in another gamete. Now, fertilization takes place between male and female gamete. This we will study with checkerboard method. Capital T cross with capital T, result is capital T, capital T, and plant is tall. Capital T cross with small t, result is capital T, small t, plant is tall. Now, capital T cross with small t, result is capital T, small t, plant is tall. And last one, small t cross with small t, result is small t, and plant is dwarf. So, phenotypic ratio is 3 plants are tall and 1 is dwarf. that is 3:1. And genotypic ratio is capital T, 1 plant, capital T, two plants, and small t, 1 plant. So the ratio is 1:2:1. To study law of dominance, we are going to use same example, that is height of plant, tall and dwarf. Law of dominance when two homozygous individuals. So this is first homozygous individual and this is second homozygous individual. With one or more sets of contrasting characters are crossed. यहाँ पे हमने एक ही सेट contrasting characters का लिया है. But we can take more sets also. So this is one set of contrasting character, that is tall and dwarf, capital T and dwarf small t, इनमें क्रॉस होगा. Now